Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next stretch is called squats for low back pain. We're going to have Dee separate her feet shoulder width apart and then squat down, not past 90 degrees. And as she squats down, she's going to reach her arms forward and sit her tailbone back. A good squat will stimulate strength and blood flow to the muscles around the legs, such as the hamstrings and the quadriceps, as well as the muscles of the low back. Since we're a sitting culture and we all sit so much, this is a great exercise to relieve low back pain and discomfort. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.